Okay, here is a video guide on how to solve quadratic equation using completing square. Okay, let's see the first question. Having solution. Number one, we're having 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, from the question, from the methods, we are just going to say we should divide both sides by the coefficient of x. But before that, let's say 2x squared minus 3x is equals to, and the negative 5 will cross the equal sign and the 0 will dismiss and it will become positive 5. Okay, the coefficient of x is 2, divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2, 2 cancel 2. Therefore, x squared minus 3 over 2x is equals to 5 over 2. Okay, and we have to add the half of 3 over 2. Half of 3 over 2 is 3 over 2. We should add it. We should times it by 1 over 2. 3 times 1 will get in 3. 2 times 2, where 2 times 2 is 4. So therefore, this is a half. Because of we are dealing with completing square, we have to add the square here. We're going to say x squared minus 3 over 2 x plus 3 over 4 square is equals to 5 over 2 plus the 3 over 4 whole square. Okay, let's take x square with the 3 over 4 square. No need of taking this. We are just to say minus 3 over 4 whole square is equals to the 5 over 2 plus 3 square, we're having 9, and 4 square is 16. Okay, let's take the square root of both sides. Let's repeat the question here like that. Here we're having square and 5 over 2 plus 9 over 16. Okay, let's take the square root of both sides like this. Square root of both sides. If we square root both sides, square will cancel square at here. We're having x squared minus 3 over 4 and is equals to 5 over 2 plus 9 over 16. We are to break here down like this. Okay, sorry, here we are not the square. We have to cancel the square and cancel the square because we already put it here. Okay, let's say that in here we are having x minus 3 over 4 is equals to, let's break this down. The LCM we are having is 16, and 16 into 2 we are getting 8. 8 times 5 we are getting 40, like this. 40. 16 into 16, 1 times 9 we are having 9. So therefore it will become x minus 3 over 4 is equals to 49 over 16. Don't forget with the square. So therefore x minus 3 over 4 is equals to 49 square. We are having 7. 7 over 16 square. 16 square we are getting 4. And don't forget, using rationalization, we are having plus or minus. Yeah, we are getting plus or minus in here. Okay, we are come across to the end of the question. Okay, by now we are just to see like this. Okay, let's cross it down. We're having x minus 3 over 4 is equals to plus or minus of 7 over 4. Okay, the next thing to do is, here is equal sign and here is minus. Let's make exodus of the formula like x is equals to the negative 3 over 4 will cross the equal sign and it will become positive 3 over 4 and a plus or minus of 7 all over 4. So therefore x is equals to 3 plus 7. The LCM will be 4. Let's start with the positive sign. Is 4 the LCM, and x is equal to 3 plus 7. We are getting 10 over 4. So therefore 2 here, 2 and 2 here is 5, which x is equals to 5 over 2. And let's check for the negative sign. X is equals to 3 minus 7 all over 4. So therefore x is equals to 3 minus 7. We have negative 4 over 4. So therefore 4 here, 4, 1, 1. We are getting x is equals to negative 1, or x is equals to 5 over 2.